Good morning. I'm Richard Poulden. I'm chairman of Wishbone Gold, and that's what I'm going to be talking to you about this morning. We launched Wishbone on AIM in July of this year, and we are firm believers in $5,000 an ounce gold. Wishbone has some existing properties, but we're also looking to buy others, and we're looking to turn it into a large gold producer. Thanks very much.
Hi, my name is Chris Wheatley. I've just seen a presentation by Wishbone Gold by Richard Poulden. I was very interested. I hadn't really noticed that they had listed on AIM. I did very well with Cirrus Resources, and I'm a great believer in gold. He talked about how inflation is going to increase the gold price. It's quite a small company, but the management is very strong, and they've got tenements on gold, on historic gold producing assets with quite good grades, and yeah, I thought it was a very interesting proposition.
First of all, we have the important notice, and I hope that you will all agree we have reached a new level of illegibility here. We've been doing this for a number of years, and I think this is our best achievement to date.